Women, including homemakers, students, farmers, and working professionals, can make significant contributions to climate change mitigation and adaptation through daily lifestyle choices, community action, and the adoption of sustainable practices. As primary household managers, women hold immense power to drive the transition to a low carbon economy. Dr. Lata, a global award winner microbiologist and climate change expert, explains the role women in our communities can play in the mitigation of climate change.
So, the climate change part and the mitigation and awareness, it should start from the grassroots level. Okay, and women, as we say, like home ministers, so they are the major, contributor. They can contribute. They are the very important part of the system, even of the society of system, and especially in climate change research or climate change overall, they can play very important role. Say suppose at household level. Okay, so the some of the practices, like say suppose waste that gets generated, if they are trained or if they know about the composting, that can reduce a lot of impact of climate change or the gases that are released. Then there are certain practices, like because the rural women, they are also involved in the agricultural practices. So if we think of like smart agricultural practices, like whatever this local people, they know lot of things, lot of different techniques which may not be highlighted, but they have the traditional knowledge. So these knowledges can be used, it's a wealth of traditional knowledge, can be used in various ways that can help in some of the mitigation practices towards the climate change. So like say suppose crop rotation, then use of the organic material or organic fertilizers or the organic farming. So there are certain so many of these such practices or the information that they have. कोंकणीन आमचें सांगता म्हणल्यार कशें, जी स्त्री आसा ती समाज घडयता. सो आनी तिजो खूब समाजाक हातभार जावं कंट्रिब्युशन खूब आसा. आपल्या घरा पासून स्टार्ट करून मागीर खंयच्याय फिल्डान म्हणा तुमी, ती जावं ती हावज होल्ड, जावं ती होम मेकर, जावं ती काम करपी, ती एक समाजाचो इतलो स्ट्रॉंग घटक आसा, ती समाज घडयता आनी फुडलें जनरेशन ती घडयता. इट इज नॉट ओन्ली लायक गिवींग बर्थ एंड हॅविंग चायल्ड, बट जे ते विचार संस्कार कितें दिता भुरग्याक, ताजे प्रमाणे फुडलो समाज घडटा. सो स्त्री विमेन हॅज अ लॉट ऑफ रोल, सेवरल रोल्स टू प्ले, आनी समाजाची जडण घडण हातून तिजो खूब इम्पॉर्टंट आसा, रोल आसा. तशेंच फक्त समाज घडोवपाकूच न्ही, जी आमचे एनवायरमेंट, जो आमचो सरावंडींग आसा, तो सुद्दां प्रिजर्व करपाक तिजो खूब मोठो हातभार आसा. बारीक बारीक आतां एक फाल्यांच म्हणटा तुमी प्लास्टीक, से सपोज प्लास्टीक बाजारान गेली जाल्यार जेन्ना शॉपिंग करता तेन्ना तिणें जर ठरयलें न्ही, ओके देर आर लॉट ऑफ एडवर्टायजमेंट दीस दॅट प्लास्टीक कमी करात, प्लास्टीक कमी करात. सो तिणें जर हो एक सुद्दां मुद्दो तकलेन धरलो न्ही, की आय वील कंट्रिब्यूट और आय वील बी द चेंज दॅट आय वॉन्ट टू सी इन द सोसायटी. सो तिणें जर अशें म्हणलें आनी तिणें म्हणलें की हांव सदां खंयची पिशवी घेवचे पेक्षा हांव 5 पिशव्यो करतलें, 2 पिशव्यो करतलें आनी हांव ती अशी सांबाळून दवरतलें, हांव की प्रत्येक फावटी हांव ती पिशवी व्हरतलें. तर तुमी विचार करात की कितलो इम्पॅक्ट, इट कॅन बी लार्ज इम्पॅक्ट. हे सगळें न्ही एक बायले पासून सुरू जावपाक शकता, बिकॉज शी हॅज अ कंट्रोल ओवर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, नॉट ओन्ली द किड्स और हाऊस होल्ड थिंग्स, even in the society, environment, so as climate change. So coming to like organic farming, if it is practiced well, properly, it is one of the mitigation strategy, to reduce some of the climate change effects. Okay, like emission which can reduce. So such organic farming practices or the climate smart agriculture is also good and to be considered, and the people who are doing it, especially like in rural areas, गांवांनी कितें जाता, काही लोक अजून म्हळ्यार ते खत जे फर्टिलायझर आसा पळय कमर्शियल केमिकल, दे आर नॉट युजींग दॅट. हांवें अशें सुद्दां गांवांनी पळयलां, जेन्ना ती मिरची लायतात पळय दोंगरार, जे पावसाळी मिरची उरतात, ते कितें जाता, पावसान ते सारें तशें देंवून वयता कळ्ळें उदका बरोबर. सो ती कितें करता, तांची एक टॅक्नीक आसा, ती मिरची लायली न्ही, ती सायडीच्यान अशी खणटात आनी एक पर्टिक्युलर झाड आसा, म्हळ्यार खूब जाता ते पावसान. सो ती सगळी ती पानां हाडप मारून आनी ते म्हळ्यार पावसान कितें जाता, खूब वाडटा ते. सो ते कट केले बरें न्ही, सो ती पानां हाडटात आनी तातूंत ती घालतात. एंड दोज लिव्स न्हू, दे आर मोर रीच इन नायट्रोजन सोर्स, कित्याक तांकां नायट्रोजन फॉस्फरस सगळें जाय पडटा न्ही. आनी जो घरा तांचो कितें तरी थोडोसो गोबर बीन आसता पळय दॅट इज लायक अ फॉस्फरस सोर्स. सो हे ते सगळें न्ही जावं शेण बीन उरता पळय तांचे कडेन गोरवां उरतात न्ही तो गायरीचें तें शेण जावं ही पानां सगळीं इट इज ऑल ऑर्गेनीक. So those chilies or those vegetables in that area or that season, it's like completely free of any chemical and more safe, healthy, organic one. So I think if time permits, no, sometimes people should go like such areas like Madkai or even in the south, like that Kepe, Sange, that area, no, Kankun and all. Many people still practicing such methods, and which is more safer and organic. There should be some kind of awareness, especially if we want to link to the climate change and such global issues. There should be some kind of awareness among them, and also like maybe they should get some more like little confidence, and they should be brought forward. Okay, म्हळ्यार तांकां एक मातशें एक तांचो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडन्स बूस्ट करपाचें, तांचे केन्ना केन्ना अशी एक बसून शिबिरां जावं कितें एक वर्कशॉप म्हणून तांकां इनवॉल्व करपाचें. एंड समटायम्स नो दॅट कॉन्फिडन्स कम्स वेन दे फील लायक दे आर हर्ड. दॅट कॉन्फिडन्स शूड बी बिल्ड. So I think if this happens, no, then it's like both scientific and when traditional, that knowledge combines, no, it has a larger impact. So that should happen.